Welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wished to send messages in Botim by pressing the Enter key, you're in the right place. This feature can enhance your messaging experience by allowing quick message sending without the need to tap the Send button. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, in the profile menu, find and click on the option labeled Chat and Call. Finally, toggle on the option labeled Send with Enter button. By enabling this setting, pressing the Enter key will send your messages directly, streamlining your chatting experience. Enabling the Enter key to send messages in, Botim simplifies your messaging process, making communication faster and more efficient. Enjoy a smoother chatting experience with this handy feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.